Good afternoon, friends. Today we are going to discuss about the best books for JEE mains as well as advanced. These are the best books that can be found in on the internet with the recommendations of the many best of the educators of the India and many of the best or the popular educators of the India. I would recommend these books for the students who are in ninth or 10th or in the class 11th or 12th or droppers. They can follow these books for their IIT JEE preparation. Now we're gonna start with the chemistry section. The chemistry section is very important. The chemistry section has three parts: physical, inorganic, and organic. In the physical section, I would recommend in the physical section you should cover all the theory in the MCRT as well as OP in the book of the OP Tandon. In the book of the OP Tandon, in the physical chemistry you should do all the back exercise of NCRT, and in the book of OP Tandon the theory is expressed in the very good manner. And for the practice, I would recommend it for the JEE main practice, Narendra Awasthi book. And for the advanced practice, I would recommend it Neeraj Kumar book. Neeraj Kumar book is very famous for the advanced problems in physical chemistry. This is very important book who are in class 11th standard as well as 12th standard or the droppers. I would recommend it for the class 9th or 10th students who are early starters. They should do the NCRT first of all, and they should complete all the exercises of NCRT, and they should move to the next level now. Directly, my recommendation is directly not to solve the Neeraj Kumar book because the questions are very difficult and that cannot be solved by the students who are in class 9th or 10th and had started their preparation for IIT JEE or JEE mains and advanced. Yes, this we have covered now the physical chemistry section. Inorganic chemistry section is also important. In the physical chemistry section, I would how is this subject is. The physical chemistry section is the formula based subject. It has many chemical calculations, but it's whole dependent on the formula. And second chemistry that I recommended is inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry, it has many exceptions. Many of the students, with my experience, I have seen many of the students who are facing in the problems in the inorganic chemistry. I would recommend them that to make the flashcards of the exceptions in the inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry is reading based chemistry. Yeah, we should revise this chemistry for many time to memorize all the concepts of inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry is student think that for the reading or memorizing the concept at many times, it has I think so we need to revise the inorganic chemistry for 30 minutes every day. In the inorganic chemistry, NCRT is very important source that we can read in inorganic chemistry. And another book for theory I would recommend inorganic chemistry by Sudarshan Guha, Wiley JDL. This book is very famous for its theory. This theory has from basic level to advanced level in organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is very simple subject when we learn all the mechanisms in the organic chemistry. Now we will go to the inorganic section. This is the first book that I would recommend is Inorganic Chemistry Theory is JDL Concise Inorganic Chemistry for JEE Mains and Advanced. It's now fourth edition now coming on the Amazon. I would give the link of the all the books of on the Amazon, and this is the book adopted by Sudarshan Guha in India. This book is very famous for its theory. It takes you from basic level to advanced, but the problems are, I think so, it's minimum problem, but that minimum problems give you much edge. Now second, for the practice I would recommend in the inorganic chemistry, problems in inorganic chemistry for JEE mains as well as advanced by VK Jaiswal sir. This book is very famous for its problems. And another publication that I would recommend, that which you should also take the Pradeep books. Pradeep books are also available on Amazon, Flipkart, and this book also has the best theory of the inorganic chemistry. Well, I would add that books, but the books may be much, so I had not added that books. But you can also go to that books because it has very best theory. Now organic chemistry, I would recommend in the organic chemistry Mastro publication, organic chemistry for JEE mains and advanced, adopted by MS Chauhan sir. MS Chauhan sir, I learned organic chemistry from MS Chauhan sir. MS Chauhan sir takes all the concepts from that book, and they also recommended that to learn from that book. This book also takes you from basic level to the advanced, and in this book the mechanisms in the organic chemistry are explained very perfect. Now in the for the practice in the organic chemistry, the in the Sri Balaji publication, the problems in organic chemistry come by mistake. It is in the slide we have added the VK Jaiswal sir book, but it is the problems in organic chemistry for JEE mains and advanced Sri Balaji publication. Author is MS Chauhan sir. For practice, it has many problems and it has minimum problems. Physical chemistry, OP Tandon is the best book for the theory. It has also minimum problems, minimum problems. And for the physical chemistry practice, I would recommend it for class 11th and 12th student to directly go to the Neeraj Kumar book. If you are preparing for IIT JEE, your first target is JEE Advanced, so you can directly solve the book of Neeraj Kumar sir, problems and solution in physical chemistry for JEE mains and advanced. It's now second edition. In the physics section, my my best sir or best educator told me that physics is killer visualization and simple math. In the physics section, I would recommend you the concepts of physics SC Verma. This book is very famous for its theory. It has better theory, and it is not the book for not the specialized book for NEET or JEE. It's this book is used for both the NEET as well as JEE, and this book has much better theory, and this book has limited problems, and that book touches the advanced level in the limited problems. So many of the students like that book, S.C. Verma. And another announcement from my side, on the EduTech channel, I'm giving the Telegram link on which I would give all the PDFs of that all the books, and you can download all the PDFs of that all the books on my Telegram channel. Physics section, we have completed the concepts of physics by S.C. Verma. And if you are specialized and you want to prepare for IIT JEE or JEE mains and advanced, my recommendation is to directly go on DC Pandey book. This book comprises of 5: Mechanics 1 Volume 1, Mechanics 2 Volume 2, Electricity and Magnetism, Optics and Modern Physics, Waves and Thermodynamics. These books, uh, many of the best educators recommended me to follow that book, and because they also followed that book for teaching. These books have much problems, much illustration, much theory, and these books are completely best books of the India for physics for JEE mains and advanced. Another book, the competition lies between B.M. Sharma and D.C. Pandey. B.M. Sharma and D.C. Pandey are both important books for IIT JEE or JEE mains as well as advanced. BM Sharma book. BM Sharma book also has many theory as well as illustrations as well as problems. You can have choice between BM Sharma as well as DC Pandey. Best theory. अगर you want to love physics, so for the love or the sake of the physics, the best theory is needed, and that best theory is present in the books of Resnick Halliday Walker. Resnick Halliday Walker, adopted by Amit Gupta sir. These books are very famous for its theory. It also has many problems. If you are a absolute physics lover, you can purchase this book. Next book I would recommend it is in the now start the mathematics. My one sir recommended me and gave me one phrase, or I should say the thought that the only way to do mathematics to do mathematics. The mathematics section needs much practice with the much of the theory. It comprises of many theory, many problems, and much more. Mathematics section has 7 books. In the mathematics section, I would recommend mathematics book which has been written by Aryan Publication, which has Amit M. Agarwal author, as well as it has 7 parts of the mathematics: differential calculus, integral calculus, vectors and 3D geometry, algebra, coordinate geometry, trigonometry, play with graph. My recommendation is to do the Singlish mathematics because it has much of the illustration, much of the theory, and much of the problems. And one benefit that get between the Aryan as well as Singlish, it contains the TPB. So with the recommendation of the best of the mathematics educator, they had told me to do this English book. So now we are going to end our session. So another book for who are preparing for many Olympiads such as NSCP, pre-RMO, RMO, uh, INMO, IN, PHO, and all. So Irodo and Kurodo. If you are best level at the physics, then you can try the book known as Irodo and Kurodo. This book can take one day for one problem. So with my recommendation, who have completed the class 11th and 12th syllabus, they can go on the Irodo book. And another book is Pathfinder Pearson publication. These books are also important for JW Advanced as well as Olympiad. And myself Rudresh Pandagare, and this slides has been made for the JW aspirant. Now I gone end this session, and my recommendation is for to you is to subscribe my channel, and I am giving you the link of the link of my telegram channel on which all the PDFs can be got. So I am going to end this session.